Toss it to you higher.
Toss it a little bit higher, yeah.
There you go.
We need to move some of these in front back so we can start the wall where it's dry before the water's hitting. The ones in the front. Just the ones in the front.
This part go over the Meramec or something? Tell them I can drop this.
What are you guys doing out here?
I live right here. Check out my house.
Okay, you're gonna have to either turn around or stay at the house.
Okay. We're going this and there and back.
Yeah, well, you're going back now then.
I can't go to my house?
No, we're not allowing anybody to boat out here.
Okay. So what do you guys want to do?
Oh, we're going back.
We'll go back out.
Okay.
Okay.
We're just right there. We'll take our boat there.
Hell, they don't want anybody out here for that reason. They're paddling along pretty good. In some areas, it's extremely dangerous. We still have a lot of obstacles. We still have a very fast-moving current, and we also have a lot of debris in the water. We still have some residents refusing to evacuate, and in areas we do have enough debris and mold developing in some of these homes to make it a hazardous to their health.
Sir, what's your address here?
2884. You'll know when you get close because you'll be passing the golf course.
Oh, okay, then.
We've had about 10,000 feet of barrier put up, over close to 20,000 sandbags to supplement that barrier. We've had crews working 12-hour shifts since Thursday to get this in place. It's been a huge effort, but if we can keep the interstate open, it's worth it.
Very humbled, very respectful of Mother Nature, and I've seen a flood before, and there's a lot you can't stop on a flood. You can just direct it a little, but you can't control water like this.